Okay, to change the screen on this Leader 9S, first you need to open the back. These two doors, okay, open and take out the filter because you need to open the screw at the back. Okay, take out filter. Second one. Press, remember to press and take out. Not pull only, have to press. Then you turn. Okay. Now you see at the back there, there's one screw hole, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So all these 6 screws have to take out first. Okay. Now we are going to take out one by one. I just show you one only. Next you just follow. Okay, take out one by all the 6 screws. Okay. Okay, now all the 6 screws already take out. Now another 4 screws need to take out. There is the 1, 2, 3, and 4 here, the bottom there. All the 4. So all the 4 screws have to take out also. Okay. Okay. Okay, after total of 10 screws have been taken out, you want to open this front panel. You see the technician will show you how to open the front panel. You take out, you just shake, okay? Shake, you can take out already, okay? Now you can see there's a few connectors connected together. One here, then one here. All the 4 connectors have to be taken out. Okay? Now the technician show you how to take out. Okay? By pressing and take out. Okay? Another one, press and take out. Okay? 2 already. Yeah, another 2. Press, take out. Here. Press, take out. Okay. Now you can take out the front panel already. Now is to take away this one. So you have to open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Take out the 6 screws, then you can change already. Okay. Okay. Now all the 6 screws have been taken out. You disconnect this connector by press and take out. Press, take out. Okay. Oh, okay. Now you can take out already. So you just replace the new one. Okay, this is already 40. You just replace the new one. Okay. Okay, this is the new one. You put it back. Put all the screws, 6 screws back. Okay, now all the 6 screws put in. Now you put back the connector in. Okay, put it in. Then finish. Okay, now put it back. Okay, now it's a procedure to put it back. Put back the 4 connectors just now. All the connector is different size. You cannot put it wrongly. Okay, you cannot put it wrongly. Don't worry. If you see the size is not ngam, then you change. If you put it, just press it in. Then put back the connector. And of course, on top there is a what you call a gooseneck. The head. You just press it in. Okay. Okay. Now is to put the top one. Okay. Yeah. Go to the gap. So after you put in it, Now you already put it in. Put back all the screw, all the 10 screw in. Just now you already taken 6 here at the back, 6 at the bottom, 4 at the bottom. Okay? Okay. Now they put back the screw. All the 6 screws. Okay? Okay, and this is the 4 screw at the bottom there. Just put it in. Okay. So see the filter, filter 1. Filter 1 put here. See the position, Okay, press it in. Now filter 2. See the position, Press it in. Then close the door. Okay, close the door. Okay, finish. That's all. Okay? Alright, thank you.